An ex Indian Navy officer, a physical trainer, and a motivational speaker. Let's welcome the ultimate mentor, Bhaskar Shukla. He has a rich and varied experience of 9 years in corporate security, vigilance operations, HR, etc.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, sir, can you please tell me about yourself and your wonderful journey?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Lieutenant Bhaskar Shukla, and like I had been a Delhiite, been like working since 2007. I had joined Navy way back in 2007, and then after taking a premature retirement, I decided to switch over to corporate, from where my journey began into corporate. And like my parents are there, and I'm really happy to be trying to get a change in the society by doing something which I can be able to doing. And this is a little bit about me, ma'am.
Okay. So, sir, as I know, this is a very tough journey for you also. So, can you please state some of the challenges you have faced in your journey?
Yes, ma'am, definitely, ma'am. Ma'am, as I said, like initially, since I had, been a Delhiite, so it was not very difficult for me to get into the armed forces because I had inclination towards it also.
Yeah.
But then coming out and then over to corporate was really a difficult journey, you can say,
Yeah.
because somehow, we Faujis are not very highly rated in the corporate sector. And like, because the skills that we get there, the qualities that we have, somehow in the corporate, it is little different thing, set of skill set that is required. But then we are somewhere, what we consider that are able to get the results and get the work done through our you know like perseverance, and through our dedication and discipline. But that takes time to make people understand. So I had to start with a very normal job, and very basic meager salary. And then I had been looking for a good job, because somehow these things were not, the defense experience was not being considered in that sense. But over a period of time, gradually, by working hard, and by proving ourselves, by proving, in case of myself, if I say, by doing things again and again in a way which impress people, finally, it has been a smooth journey for last some years. And so I decided that we should be doing something for the society, which so that the fraternity, the armed forces fraternity, and people in general who have their skill set but are somehow not able to get that, fetch that job, so we could do something for them. So this is how I have started working on a project. And with God's grace, we are doing well over there, ma'am.
Okay, sir. You are such a great inspiration for all, really. So, from whom you take your inspiration?
Ma'am, I take my inspiration from some of the famous personalities like APJ Abdul Kalam.
Wow.
And yes, ma'am. And then definitely there are people like Nelson Mandela, who had been fighting throughout his life. And
Yeah.
only after a long wait, and his quest for getting the equality, after so many years, when he was about to like in his old ages, then only he could get that respect and he could make that change. Similarly, with the APJ Abdul Kalam, his dream was to become a fighter pilot. I have
Yeah.
read his book also, Wings of Fire. But then, since although he couldn't get that, but he didn't give up and he kept trying. And today, we know him as the ex-president of India, and he could get everything done for India, which he could, more than what he could have done being in the Air Force. So I think that we should not give up ever. And these people, these famous personalities, they really inspire us to do something good.
Yeah, sir. Very good thought. So, sir, any social change you want to make or you are making in your society?
Yes, ma'am. Like brief a little about it, ma'am. I
Yeah.
have started a group named as the Ultimate Mentors,
Okay.
and it was initially a very just an idea came to our mind. Like I and a couple of my military friends, we had met, and we decided to bring up about some positive change in the society. So we decided that how to go about it. So we created a sort of a short group, like very small group, and then we started adding members who were doing something good for the society, and so that we can collectively collaborate and do something bigger, so with a bigger impact. So like it started just not even a year back, and then we kept adding members, and then we got ideas from many of the existing members. We made a logo, and then we had our presence in we started having our presence in the social media, and now we are more than around 260 members in that. And now we are switching over to Google group also, because it's a WhatsApp group which has a limit. And like we had been keeping meeting and Zoom sessions and online meetings and so many things that people are doing in their sector. We share that in our group. We motivate other members and outsiders to do something good for the society, be it charitable, be it philanthropy, be it teaching someone, be it telling about the life skills, fitness, astrological solutions, everything that we can do for the society to help people, that too selflessly. It is the what you say, the USP of the group is that we are doing it selflessly. It is zero finance group, in which we just lend our services. We just offer our services for the benefit of people,
Yes.
without asking for any thing in return. Just their blessings are what we need actually.
Yeah, sir. It's a very, really good social change and you are making with your fellow beings. Highly appreciable. So, sir, what will be your success mantra for the youngsters?
Ma'am, for the youngsters, I would like to say that a youngster should plan his day well.
Yeah.
Because we being elders, we can guide them, but it is them who have to make a schedule and act upon it. So what happens when we are in young age? We have a lot of energy, but then we sometimes tend to deviate from the main path, and then we sometimes spend that energy in activities that do not fetch us anything good for our future. But if
Yeah.
we decide to focus that study on our skills that we have, it must it need not be something like only studies. It can be sports, it can be arts, it can be cultural. But whatever some a youth is good at, he should or she should try it right from that young age, so that over a period of time they can become an expert in that field, and they can it can help them become employable in the same thing, and they can rather become an employer having that skill set. So as our prime minister also emphasizes on that Atmanirbhar Bharat
Yeah,
and
of
the make
course.
in India. So we are trying, even in our group, the Ultimate Mentors also, we are trying to focus on this, that we would be, focusing on helping people to make themselves and others employable by utilizing their skills which they already have under a guidance of a mentor. As I said, we are around 250 people. We all are the experts of our field, and most of us are defense officers. Many are lady officers, like we have squadron leader Sheetal Tanwar, squadron leader Tulika Rani ma'am, who is a very famous mountaineer and a very famous personality and a TEDx speaker as well. Then
Yeah.
we have celebrities, like Miss Deepa Malik, the international athlete, Miss Bhavna Tokekar, Miss Sonali Swami, so many things, like members we have. We also have Major General Rajesh Sahai, and then we have, likewise, we have many members. All the members are famous personalities who are ready to offer their selfless services to mentor somebody who is trying to, do something, good for themselves and others by, telling them the right way to do it.
Yeah, sir, you are absolutely correct in this. So, sir, any word pitch or any message to Man Mahila ka?
Yes, ma'am. So, I watched all the links, and I was really happy and rather glad to see that you, are providing people a platform to, showcase their skills and showcase their talent, and, providing them a platform to be known, to be recognized, to reach to the people, to the masses, which is a very good initiative, ma'am. And I think that you people should carry on this way, and it will really help the people, like that, those like people who are somehow not able to, despite putting best of their efforts, not being recognized, but with platforms like this they are getting, a motivation that yes, if they are working hard, there is somebody, there is some organization who is, who are like ready to, showcase their skills, who are ready to present them in the way that they deserve to. So I'm really happy about, ma'am, with the concept of Man Melata, ma'am.
थैंक यू सो मच सर कि आपने अपना इतना प्रीशियस टाइम हमारे लिए निकाला और इतना अच्छा इंटरव्यू दिया. थैंक यू सो मच.
Same.